Hi everyone. In this class, we're going to use Microsoft Excel worksheet to create a budget planner. Before we get started, let's cover the basic. In Microsoft Excel, what you have is column references at the top, A, B, C, D, E, etc. And then you have row references, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And each one of those boxes are cells. So this will be cell A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. We will start by typing in some column references. So at the top, if I type description, monthly cost, yearly cost, your budget, and then any surplus. We can then type in some of the usual costs that families encounter. So, for example, you will have your gas bill, your electricity bill, council tax, food cost, fuel cost, etc., etc. So you could obviously add as many as you like. I will add one more, expenses. Now you can type in some monthly cost. So let's say your gas bill is £50 a month. Your electricity bill is £60 a month. Council tax is £150 a month. Food cost is £120 a month. Fuel cost is £100 a month. Other expenses, let's say £50 a month. We can now format this, the actual cost that you've entered. So if you wanted to left align, you could do that. If you wanted to put in the center, you can do that. You could also format the actual type of number it is. So if it's a currency, in this case, which it is, then we could actually select currency and then the decimal places that you want to enter. So if it's £50.62, then you put 2 decimal places. So that now you can see it's been formatted for pounds and down to pence, 2 decimal places. We can also format the top row. So if you want to make it bold, then that's basically very easily done. You can just highlight and select bold. The other thing we want to do is calculate the yearly cost. So the easiest way to do that, if you click on the cell where you want to calculate and then press type in equal and select the cell for the monthly cost and then times that by 12 months, and what you'll get is a cost, yearly cost for 12 months. So this is a very easy way to calculate using formulas within Excel worksheet. If you now wanted to complete the rest of the calculations for electricity bill, council tax, etc., then the easiest way to do that is if you press Control C on the cell that you've already done the calculation and then move your cursor down to the next cell, press Shift and then use the arrow button to scroll down, and then if you do Control V, see what you see there is that it's done all the calculations for all the other items that is in your budget without having to type in all the formulas again. If you wanted to set yourself a budget, let's say a yearly budget for each one of your usual bills. So for example, for gas, basically if you want to set yourself a budget of say 650, and for electricity yearly cost, you want to set yourself a budget for 700. And for council tax, basically, in most cases you won't have much of a choice, so I would leave that as it is. And then your food costs, let's say basically you had a budget of 1500, and for your fuel cost, let's say you had a budget of 1150, and for other expenses you wanted to reduce that to 500. You can also do the formatting as I've shown you previously. So let's format that into currency, and we do that, and you can left align that, and that now sets you the budget that you want for the year. If you now wanted to work out the surplus amount you have, whether it's positive or negative, the easiest way to do that is select the cell you want to do the calculation, type equal, and then select your budget cell, and then minus, type minus, and then basically select the yearly cell and hit enter. And what that is showing you is basically you have £50 surplus because you set yourself a budget of 650. You can now copy that cell and select the rest of the cell and enter, and it will work out exactly what the surplus is. The positive number is where you actually have something left over from your budget. The negative is actually it's fallen below that. If you wanted to sum your monthly cost, yearly cost, and budget, and so on, then what you could do is basically type here the subtotal, and what you can do is use a function here at the right called sum, and if you click that, it will select all the cells above, and if you hit enter, this is basically the sum for your monthly cost, which is 530. And you can, without repeating the same, you could just copy that cell and select the other cells and hit enter, and it should basically calculate the yearly cost, your budget, and what the surplus is. So in this case, basically the surplus total is minus £60. So you need to tighten your budget. We can now format the data by making this bold. Sorry, bold first, and then basically selecting, let's say if you wanted to do all of them with left indent, then you can do that. And that's pretty much your budget calculator set up. You can save that. You can actually rename this sheet here to budget, and you can save the file. Obviously you can add as many as you like, and you can basically also add other columns that you think is necessary to manage your budget. I hope you found this useful. We do have more advanced courses that covers more detailed use of Microsoft Excel, which is a very powerful tool, but hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for listening.